Hi, good morning. Yeah, today we are going to make frozen fulkas for youngsters. My kids also sometimes, they are in the college and PG, working people also. They don't know how to make the fulka. Next thing is they don't have time to. At least little bit better, little healthy one. I'm going to show you. This is whole wheat atta. So we have to need it water. That's what I'm telling. This is very careful you have to do. If water more also, it will become an sambar. If less also, it will become like a rock. So you have to be, consistency has to be done properly. So I thought, sometimes even last year I went to Italy. No, they're a big problem because you won't get the how to make the fulkas. First of all, you won't get the tawa. That is best highlight. And whatever they're making, pasta and all, that only it will be. So if you some fulkas you have like this, then you can manage at least 1 month, 2 months, yes also, yeah. Nicely you have to do like this. Yeah, when you're doing all this work, little bit work for the hands also. See, this become little bit hard. To add it little more water. Yes, you have to keep it nicely, knead it nicely. Like this means what is that, bread, and like this means fulkas. Like this you have to do. Fulka means you have to knead like this only. Okay. Yeah, now I'm making laddu and Tirupati laddu. I'll keep it rest for the 10 minutes only, not much time. Just keep it for 10 minutes and you can make the fulkas. That's it. Now we are going to the kitchen. I'll show you how to make it now. Come on. See ya, now I'm going to make. Okay, my gas is on. I'm using this iron tawa. You have to make it medium. Then see. Sometimes it will come round nicely. Otherwise, it won't come only. I don't know. Okay, see. Little bit thick. Don't make it very thin because my personal experience, all these things actually. Yeah, see. Very careful. Don't make it no that cooked. Just heat it. That's all. Not cooking only. Okay. Just. See ya. Now this is, like this only, not full pakka. Don't cook fully. Just like this only. You have to remove. 1 minute, and make it again medium flame. Don't make it on the high flame. Okay. Yeah, this is ready. See, have a look. Again, this one just dust it properly. Dust it like this. Again, put it. Let cool down this one actually. Yeah. Turn. Now my tawa is ready. Hot. Hot tawa. Yes. Now see ya, like this only, the consistency, the fulkas. Okay. I'm closing my things. Now you people understand, no? This is only You have to make it. The flame should be, first you have to keep it in high flame, then medium flame, and slowly you have to, if you know we are going out to station, you know, my husband will be here, yeah, your daughter, son, whoever maybe, you know, they can eat if they wanted full cast. This is a easy method, quickly you can make it tweak 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 like that only. That's all over. Close it now. See, my full cast is ready now. See, my full cast is ready. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy this moment also. Easy poosy full cast. See ya. Now my full cast is totally cool. So now I'm using only this paper, okay, butter paper. So you have to keep it like this, and you know, like this only, okay. And wrap it like this. Again, one more paper if you want, and put some rubber band and all, and take it like a cover. See, if you more also you can do it, yeah, just I'm showing how to do, that's all, okay. That's it. See, yeah, like this only you can put it in the freezer. Close it. Done.